We had Simon Devonshire on here a few weeks ago, and he runs Wyra in London, which is a huge accelerator run that's owned by Telefonica. And I noticed you were a Wyra company, and I was wondering, because we haven't had one on, if you could just tell us why you went for that program and what it was like, as honest as you can be.
And I'm curious what stage you were in before you went into.
Right, okay. So yeah, well, that's a lot. We could have a whole podcast about that. I guess our story is sort of quite specific because we knew Wyra from Madrid. So to put you in context, my co-founder, so I founded Higher Life together with a guy called David Gomez.
Why is it called Higher Life?
Oh, well, that's a whole other story.
We have lots of podcasts.
Yeah, well, it's basically it's hello to life and making it kind of sort of informal and sort of attractive and young. Say hello to life. So it's a very vital and very sort of optimistic term. And we liked, the sound of it. The phonetics of the word.
Yeah, it's catchy.
Yeah. So
so it's Higher Life.
As in Hiya, as in
Higher Life.
Higher Life.
Yeah. All right. Sorry. Back to Wyra Madrid.
So David. I founded Higher Life with David, and so he's sort of engineer by trade, and he's the CTO, and he was involved in the startup community in Madrid with a few different projects, and one of them actually, which he had some share ownership, was accepted into Wyra Madrid. So that's when we actually met the whole Wyra team, and what Wyra was. We heard from the horse's mouth from Wyra Madrid that they were going to open Wyra in London, and so I met Simon one day for a chat, and he explained me all of this to me, and we thought it would be a great idea for us. I think that there's all kinds of different projects coming into Wyra at different stages, right? Some of them are just purely a PowerPoint, some of them are sort of established business or more established, We were sort of, from a corporate point of view, slightly advanced, right? So we had gone through a friends and family round. We had a structure. We had an office in Madrid with some developers. We were building a product, and all this. But from a product point of view, we were still very, very, very infant, and it's not an easy thing to build, as we've discussed, right? So we thought, look, we can do with sort of strategic consulting, with management, with business models, with a lot of advice, on the one hand, and on the other hand, I come from the city, so I really wasn't very well connected in the startup community. So we thought it would be a great sort of injection of networking. For us, right, and to get into the community. So those were the main reasons. I mean, obviously, being sort of having an office in Madrid and being sort of Spanish, the whole Telefonica link and all that was
that
also helped.
They don't put a lot of money in, right? Do they put 50,000 euros in?
40,000 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pounds. Okay.
Yeah.
And when did you go with them? A year ago or more?
We went in June 2012, and as the first cohort, we stayed until March 2013. Usually 6 months, but they extended an extra 3 months. I think it was just a first cohort kind of deal where they extended it. They brought 3 months into the stay. They brought another 3 teams, and it just extended our stay for all of us, which was great.
And what was the experience like? What surprised you about the whole thing?
It was great. It was awesome. You have just basically a lot of opportunities that are open for you. You still obviously have to do all the hard work and try to get the juice. And Telefonica is a big animal, so you need to sort of move in between the lines to try to get the juice. And I actually think that probably we can. I always say that the best juice out of Telefonica is still to come. So if Simon, if you're listening to me, I'll still get a lot of juice out of you guys, hopefully.
Juice. Now,
Juice.
Now explain the term juice. I like it.
Well, I guess juice is a generalization to say, hopefully, whether it's PR or contacts or technology or, just generally help. At the end of the day, they're shareholders.
Right, they're shareholders of yours. The relationship continues.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So they are with us for the long journey.
Which you're glad, you're happy to have given up that equity percentage.
Very happy. Very happy.
If you had to say sort of one negative for the Wayra experience? What would you, or something that they could improve on?
Yeah, I guess, one thing negative, but it's not negative on the Wayra experience, is just the way it is that you get thrown into an environment where you have lots of people giving you lots of opinions, right? And it can be a little bit daunting because it makes you think a lot and doubt yourself, and let's say you have somehow slight identity crisis, mini identity crisis. If you got someone coming to you, Brian, every day and saying, I think you're tall, I think you're small, I think you're fat, I think you're this, I think you're that, right?
That's true.
So after a couple of months of that, you think, who the F I am, right?
So it really scrambles your head.
Yeah, exactly. So am I this or am I that, or should I be actually approaching things differently? And in a way, what you realize is you have to sort of follow your gut and isolate yourself a little bit from the noise and take a direction. There's a lot of this advice is really useful, and it makes you think in the right way, right? So how to select the useful stuff from the noise? Obviously that is the difficult bit, but in a way, I guess that's a challenge, right?
Sure.
That now looking back, I think, were we slightly distracted or too distracted?
Silicon Valley, we'll meet with VCs, with corporates, with other startups, and usually at that point, like our startup that has been in the program for about 6 months kind of gets what they need to be doing, kind of understands what they need to do, and then they can really take full advantage of the US trip. Post-US trip, they tend to kind of already grow into the maturity stage, at which point they either continue coming to the sessions that they want to come to,